Hey, Tim, back with another video, T-Town T-shirts. Got my DTF roll from Fat Dad. I'm gonna cut them up and get my orders ready. This is 24 by 120. One good reason I do use Fat Dad for these prints is the 24-inch rolls. I really enjoy them and support YouTuber just like me. And he shares great content and puts out his knowledge. So thank you, Todd, Fat Dad. I'll put a description down there so you can go buy some DTFs from him. I got a Christmas order here that I got to get prepared for. And I got some Christmas designs on here for my own family. I'm getting ready to shut down the t-shirt side here in a few days so I can concentrate on doing some Christmas stuff. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do here is we're just gonna cut them out. Make a little short little video here of me cutting some of the designs out. So this little line right here, don't press it. Not sure what I'm sure it's just to keep the colors going and whatever. Not sure why they put that there. No big deal to me. I just take it, cut them off, and I just do some random photos on here to fill the gang sheet up. I build my own gang sheets. He does have a spot where you can build your own gang sheets on there. You just put your images in, build it. I just build it myself and send it. Probably should just move the trash can closer. Like over that. We'll move the trash can closer. Trash can. So we got this. Gnomes. And then this is a cool one. Rock, paper, scissors. Throat, punch, I win. I did have a little mishap with these prints. Totally my fault with the quality of the image. Not sure what happened on my end, but it happened. These ones I'm cutting out now are Christmas presents from my family and friends and neighbors. So don't come at me. I didn't design it, I just got it printed. The only thing with DTFs is you gotta cut them out, especially on gang sheets. So take that in consideration when you're putting costs involved. Make sure you add that cost of cutting these up. Good thing about gang sheets and putting them wherever you want. This is a clear backing, so you can see exactly where your print's at. You really don't need straight. I mean, it helps if you had straight lines, but you don't really need straight lines for this. So when I first did this, I put it in the system as 24 by 60, and I was like, oh, I'll get make two sheets, and then I realized the 24 by 120, which is double the size, is actually a little bit cheaper, so I went with that route. So keep that in mind when you're on people's sites, on his site. You save a little bit if you gang up a bigger sheet. FYI. As I'm cutting up the designs, I'll cut that off just so I don't forget. I won't, but you may. Here's another cool one. This is my, what does it say? This is my Christmas pajama shirt. Christmas pajama shirt. All right, here we go. Here's some other cool designs. I'll show you here in a second. This one gets real close. I gotta be real careful. Cool. Baby's first Christmas on the inside. If you didn't know, I'm going to be a pop-pop for 2024. So, all right. This is for my order here. Christmas shirt order. This one's going to be Family Christmas 2023. This image is a little distorted too. It says, "Dear Santa, sorry for all the F-bombs this year. I'm a mom." That's for my wife. So where did I put that at? There we go. That. And then I have a couple different shirts, so I changed the colors. I changed the colors of the family, so it can go on a white shirt that they want. So this is the same one. It's just with black lettering. Speed this up a little bit here. Sorry for the no talking. There you go. Okay, almost done here. Cool. Alright, there's whites, the white design, black design, the white, black, white. Cool, there's that. There's these ugly ones. These nice looking ones. And then you got baby's one. And you got Christmas shirt, a skull. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm back. So, website is fatdadprintco.com. That's where I got all these prints at. Go give them a follow on YouTube. Hit them up. Get your DTF prints. Maybe I'll record a video of me pressing this order right here. Make another video of me pressing the DTFs. But got these, I think, shipped for under $100. So, I mean, I don't know. There's I think there's 3 of these because I needed 2. I got 1 extra. So 3, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So about 25 designs maybe. 25 designs, give or take. Some are a little bit narrow, so I got a little bit more on there. About 25 designs for under $100. I think they're like 80 plus shipping for that roll. So go check them out. Fat Dad Print Co. Take one more look. fatdadprintco.com. I'll put a description down in the link down there. And this is Tim. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, get notified. Ooh, almost done here. Almost a few more days. I'm going to try to record a few videos and get them ready to go. So keep an eye out. We're going to get this going. Okay? Tim, T-Town T-Shirts, I'm out. Peace.